Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best 1000 Sunny figure is probably one of the most detailed and impressive collectibles you can find. This iconic ship from One Piece has been meticulously recreated, capturing every mast, sail, and cannon with stunning accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a new fan, this figure is sure to be a centerpiece of your collection, bringing the adventurous spirit of the Straw Hat Pirates right into your home. Number 5. Big Book of Search and Find, Kids Puzzle Book. Are you ready for an exciting journey? This book is packed with hidden objects waiting to be discovered. It's a fun way to boost your brainpower. Get ready to explore vibrant scenes and search for cleverly concealed items. This activity book provides hours of entertainment for kids of all ages. It is perfect for screen-free fun. This book is more than just fun, it's a brain workout. It helps improve focus, observation skills, and problem-solving abilities. It's a great game for travel. Whether you're a boy or a girl, this book has something for everyone. The puzzles are designed to engage and entertain all children. It's a perfect gift for any occasion. Tired of screens? This book offers a relaxing and engaging alternative. It's a great way to unwind and have fun without any digital distractions. It's a perfect way to relax. What we like. This model kit is incredibly easy to assemble, requiring no glue or paint. It's perfect for beginners or those who want a quick and satisfying build. If you're looking for a fun, hassle-free project, this is the one for you. What people say. The figure is very detailed. The paint job is well done. The figure is a good size and has a lot of detail. Number 4. Bandai Hobby 1000 Sunny Model Kit. This model kit is designed for easy assembly. You don't need any glue to put it together. It's a fun and straightforward build. The parts are made of colored plastic. This means you don't need to paint it. It's ready to display right after assembly. The kit includes 4 runners. These runners hold all the parts needed to build the ship. It provides all the components you need. It comes with marking stickers and color stickers. These stickers add details to the model. They help bring the ship to life. A detailed instruction manual is included. The manual guides you through every step of the build. It makes the process easy to follow. What we like. This kit encourages kids to express themselves through design. It offers a variety of items to decorate, fostering creativity and confidence. If you have a child who loves arts and crafts, this kit will be a fantastic choice. What people say. The attention to detail is impressive, with vibrant colors and accurate molding. The assembly is straightforward but requires patience, especially with small pieces. The finished product is a display-worthy model that captures the spirit of the 1000 Sunny. Number 3. LEGO Summer Vibes 41937 DIY Craft Kit. This exciting kit is designed to spark a child's imagination. It's a fantastic way for them to express themselves and build their confidence through design. Kids can let their creativity run wild. They can decorate various items included in the kit, using the provided patterns or creating their own unique designs. The kit includes a light blue adjustable bracelet, a lion bag tag, a picture frame, and a cactus pencil holder. It also comes with a variety of colorful tiles for endless customization. If you know a child who loves arts and crafts, this kit is the perfect gift. The customizable pieces and vibrant colors make it a fun and engaging activity for children aged 6 and up. The cactus pencil holder, standing over 5 inches tall, is just one example of the fun items they can create. This DIY kit allows young designers to practice their skills and create again and again. What we like. This kit provides a fun and creative way for kids to personalize their belongings. It includes a sturdy bag tag and colorful tiles for endless design possibilities. If your child enjoys unique accessories, they will love this. What people say. The figure is very detailed. The paint job is well done. The figure is a good size and has a lot of detail. Number 2. LEGO Bag Tag Dragon 41939. This awesome kit lets kids design their own dragon bag tag. It's a fun and creative activity for children who love to express themselves. The kit includes a sturdy cube, a tile remover, and lots of colorful tiles. Kids can follow the design ideas or create their own unique patterns. The included tiles are perfect for decorating. Plus, they can swap them with other dot sets for even more design possibilities. This bag tag is a great accessory for any child. It's a fantastic gift for any occasion, and it's perfect for holding keys or attaching to a bag. The bag tag measures over 1.5 inches high, 1 inch wide, and 1 inch deep. It's a durable and fun treat for any child, encouraging hands-on creativity every day. What we like. This model kit features the Thousand Sunny as seen in the Stampede movie, complete with unique penguin-themed parts. It's a must-have for fans who appreciate detail and authenticity. If you like the movie, you should consider this. What people say. The figure is very detailed. The paint job is well done. The figure is very big. Number 1. Bandai Hobby One Piece Thousand Sunny Flying Model Kit. Get ready to set sail with this amazing model kit. It's the Thousand Sunny, as seen in the One Piece Stampede movie. This kit is a must-have for any fan. This model features new Emperor Penguin-themed parts. They allow it to truly soar. You'll be amazed by its detail and design. Rest assured, you're getting an official product. The box includes a Bandai Namco warning label. This guarantees its authenticity. This model kit is a great way to bring the world of One Piece to life. It's fun to build and looks fantastic on display. Don't miss out on the chance to own this incredible model. It's a perfect addition to any collection. Grab it now and start your adventure. What we like. This book is a fun and engaging way to boost your child's brainpower. It's perfect for travel, screen-free fun, and relaxation. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity, this is the one for you. What people say. It good product, very easy to assemble. My friend love it for birthday present. He big fan of One Piece, was very happy he got it. He assembled that with no problem. A good size, and looks good. Ideal for those who are really into this series. Fun to assemble and great model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.